So once you've completely finished your design, you want to get it in the hoop so it's pulled tight and centered, so you're happy with it and you're happy to hang it in that position. And then you want to trim around the edges with some scissors, so there's just a few inches left, and then get a piece of thread on your needle that is long enough to go all the way around, because we're going to kind of sew it up at the back. I would usually do this in white, but for the purpose of the video I'm going to do it in a colour that you can see. So just bring that through to get started, and we're going to do what is called a running stitch, and we're going to do it quite long from the front to the back, move along a few centimeters, and then go from the back to the front, and then move along again and go from the front to the back, and then just do that all of the way around. And it doesn't matter if they are too even or not, because this is not for decorative purposes. So we're just going all the way around. You can speed it up by kind of gathering your fabric on the needle like that. You can pull it tight as you go. And I'm using 2 strands of thread. Just keep pulling it like a drawstring as you go around. And then once you get to the end and you're meeting back where you started, pull it really tight and then just stitch a knot in it to secure your thread. And then you are done.